vegetable behind. We pick them,
Yeah.
and that is cassava.
Cassava.
When they are young, we call it the young. But
Yeah.
when they are ready to have a branch or like a fruit, then we have to let it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Then, if you put on your hand, Arabica is more juicy than Robusta. So Robusta more dry.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That's vanilla.
Yeah, that's vanilla and there's a fresh one, the green.
Okay.
And then after dry, you can see the brown color.
Yeah.
And then after the black color, this already to use, and you can keep in a long time also.
Yeah.
And here you can see the black coffee.
Okay.
And this is vanilla salt.
Oh yeah. You told me about the soda
Yeah.
tree. Yeah.
This is cinnamon. This is cacao.
rate got to 165. Nyoman grabbed my hand a couple times. We're still alive. It's beautiful.